Fast break from the backhand. Enriquez is there for the foot.
There for the football. Pero libre si Castor for the corner three. Gerald Castor hits that three-pointer.
Sabi niya si Flores, laro lang ng bata kumatake at 12 na.
Soriano fronting on Wolverine. Sidney on Wolverine throwing up a triple.
Joseph is not known as a three-point shooter. Pero itong si Cross,
Hirap papasok ito ng Lentran Heights. Si Andoy Estrella. At may foul na tinawag dito.
Castigaro completes that backdoor play.
Sends it down low to Ilagan. Ilagan for three. Ilagan is on fire.
Long distance three. Ginamitan pa ng bantay. Lista mo na. Mula po sa Legarda Street sa Maynila, sa Arellano University. Arellano University was founded back in 1938 as a law school, and now they're enrolled by 4,000 students at lahat sila ay nandito nag-e-enjoy sa makasaysayang araw na ito dahil ito po ang kauna-unahang araw ng NCAA On Tour, live and exclusive sa SNA at SNA HD. Ang mga estudyante ng Arellano U ay ready na para sa NCAA Season 93. Kami po ay nasa loob ng Arellano University Gym inside the Arellano University campus where they are ready to see two teams battle it out. One team winning on opening day, one team losing on that same day. And I'm talking about the matchup sa pagitan ng Arellano University Chiefs at San Sebastian College Recoletos Golden Stags. Sa magandang hapon po mga kapamilya, para po sa SNA, ako po si Andre Felix at kasamang nag-iisang Rainman, Coach Renren Ritualo. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Ren. Exciting ang araw na ito. Nabanggit ko nga na makasaysayan dahil ito ay kauna-unahang araw ng NCAA On Tour.
Magandang hapon sa iyo, Dre. Magandang hapon sa mga estudyante, sa mga teachers at sa mga fans ng NCAA na nanonood ngayon.
Alam mo, Ren, bago natin pag-usapan ng dalawang koponan na ito, silipin muna natin ating team standings kung saan nabanggit ko nga kani-kanina, ang isang koponan ay namayani nung Sabado, nung tayo nagsimula ng ating NCAA Season 93. Yung isa naman ay natalo sa San Beda. Ito po, ang Arellano at San Sebastian.
Arellano Chiefs winning over Mapua. Well, it's always a luxury to have a bench scoring forward like Michael Cañete. Etong si Michael Cañete, magic hugot ni Coach Jericho Diniera, scoring 17 points, 12 rebounds. It's always a luxury for a coach na magkaroon ka ng ganong off-the-bench player.
Para naman sa San Sebastian, kung saan nakaharap sa lang seasons host, pero nakaharap nila ang powerhouse ng San Beda squad.
Medyo kinapos sila atong San Sebastian Stags. Pero magandang pinakita ni Enzo Navarro, who is a transferee from Lasal. Ang pinakita niya, 12 points, 7 assists. So, leading assist leader siya nung game na yun against San Beda. Well, although he committed 4 turnovers, this game for sure is gonna put that on check. Na limit his turnovers, he's gonna be fine. He's gonna be the leader in the team.
Nabanggit mo kanina si Mike Cañete. Unahin na muna natin ang tubo ng Davao City who is taking up physical education, major in sports management. From Santa Ana National High School, the 6'3" power forward. In the absence of his game ni Lervin Flores, Michael Cañete stepped up. Nabanggit mo nga, 17 puntos at
Yes.
12 rebounds ang kinamada ni Mike Cañete.
Kalahati nun sa 12 rebounds na yun ay offensive rebounds. They had 21 offensive rebounds as a team. Grabe itong kinontribute nito. Under 25 minutes. Yun yung nilaro ni Cañete. Pero yung production, parang pang starters, 17 points, 12 rebounds, 6 offensive rebounds of the total of the 12 rebounds.
At ginawa niya lang yan in 25 minutes
Yes.
of action. Ngayon naman, tumungo tayo sa panig ng San Sebastian College Recoletos Golden Stags. That man, Enzo Navarro, naglaro para sa San Sebastian Staglets.
Yes.
Munta sa iyong alma mater sa De La Salle.
Yes.
Bumalik. Kaya nga tinatawag na homecoming. It was this man, pinanganak sa Makati, tubo ng Santa Ana, Manila. He's a 5'8", 20-year-old point guard, taking up business management. Enzo Navarro came out to play on his first game in the NCAA.
Yeah, scored 12 points, 7 assists, although he had a poor shooting night, 3 out of 10. Pero first game jitters, pwede natin pagbigay niyan. But at this time, oops, bola. At this time, nawala na yung first game jitters. So he's ready to step up and be a leader. Parang in-embrace niya kagad yung starting role as a point guard.
Ang taas yung kumpiyansa niya at
Oo.
excitement niya. And speaking of excitement, excited tayo dahil hindi tayo dalawa lang, tatlo tayo at kasama natin for a third member of our team is the one and only Miss Sarah Carlos joining us at courtside. Hello Sarah, magandang hapon sa'yo.
Hi Andre, hi Coach Ren, magandang hapon din sa inyong dalawa. Alam niyo, sobrang excited ako dahil ito ang pinakaunang school natin for the NCAA on tour dito pa naman sa Arellano University at rinig ko, Coach Ren, nakapaglaro ka na daw dito.
Oh, nakapaglaro na ako
Ilang beses na.
20 years ago.
Mga ilan bang
Late 80s.
ilan bang pinaulan mo dito na tres?
Hindi ko na matandaan. Ang naalala ko, dito ko unang
na yung
bumagsak.
gymnasium sa sobrang lakas ng paulan niya, Andre.
Sakto. Pero may question of the day ka para sa amin, di ba Sarah?
Oo, syempre. At dahil naman nandito tayo sa Arellano University, gusto ko tanungin ang lahat ng mga Arellanites. Bakit ka proud maging isang Arellionite? Pwede nyo i-tweet sa amin ang inyong mga sagot. At huwag nyo kalimutan gamitin ang aming mga hashtag NCAA Season 93 and hashtag NCAA Strong. Back to you, Andre and Coach Ren.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Sarah. At I'm sure, ang daming mga sasagot dyan ng mga Arellionite na excited na
Sigurado.
mapanood ang kanilang koponan sa ating NCAA On Tour first game of Season 93. When we return, there they are. Excited na sila dahil pumunta ang NCAA sa Legarda, Manila sa Arellano University. Coming up, the Chiefs will take on the San Sebastian College Recoletos Golden Stags dito lamang sa NCAA on SNA. We are NCAA Strong.
Levi de la Cruz II, point guard.
Kent Salado, point guard.
Rainiel Viloria, shooting guard.
Allen Enriquez, forward.
Lorvin Flores, center.
Renzo Navarro, point guard.
Alfred Gayosa, forward.
Alin Bulanadi, forward.
JM Calma, center.
Mike Kalisaan, forward.
We are live inside the Arellano University gym at Arellano University, Legarda, Manila. The starting five for the home school. Levi de la Cruz, Kent Salado. What a massive first game. He was a player of the game. Ren against Mapua last Saturday. Lorvin Flores, let's see if he can bounce back. Allen Enriquez and Rainiel Viloria will be up front. And Arellano will be in their home gray jerseys. Para naman sa San Sebastian College Recoletos Golden Stags, Coach Egay Macaraya will go with Enzo Navarro, the guy we talked about earlier, Alfred Gayosa, John Calma, Mike Calisan, and Alin Bulanadi. San Sebastian nakapula, Arellano in gray. Ating mga opisyales ngayong hapon, Ren. Ruben Agbalo, Alan Barria, Eric Veray, and our reserve referee is Nestor Zambrano. And the first ever NCAA On Tour game in Season 93 has begun. Mukhang may violation kaagad sa panimula.
Oo, jump ball violation. Hinawakan doon kaagad ni Flores yung bola. Ang taas naman talaga nito malun.
Ganyan ka ba nung as we take a look at Coach Egay Macaraya at the helm for San Sebastian trying to get their first win in Season 93. Gusto ko sana tanungin, pero mamaya na tatanungin kung gano'ng kataas talon mo. Ganda ng role sana nung intention ni Bulanadi. So, siya agad kay Coach Egay. Tumatakbo ngayon si De La Cruz. Inside to Flores asking for a foul.
Nakita mo, inside agad yung pinufocus ng Arellano Chiefs. Gusto nilang ma-involve. Itong si Flores.
Nice look by Navarro to Calma. And Calma hindi pinahaya. Pinahaya ang pasa ni Navarro. Unang 2 puntos pupunta sa San Sebastian Stags.
Enzo Navarro, he's so deceiving. He looks cocky, mukha siyang malaki. Mukha siyang bulky, pero he's fast and quick. He has a quick step on his feet.
Binanggit nga natin siya kanina on top of the coverage,
Nice.
5'8".
Yeah.
That's a good up and under from Enriquez. Just cannot convert. Agawan ng bola, mapupunta sa San Sebastian. Navarro ahead and last touch kay Alfred Gayosa. So the ball will go back to Arellano U.
Hindi niya nakita si Ken Salado doon, nasa harapan niya. So medyo nagulat siya kaya nawala niya yung bola. Itong San Sebastian Stags na to, they're a very physical team. Makita mo, talagang they're gonna use every inch of their body.
Salado. De La Cruz inside to Lervin Flores.
Dalawa na kaagad si Lervin Flores.
Kasamang gigil para kay Lervin.
Yes.
Gusto makabawi after that dismal first game. In the meantime, let's go to Miss Sarah Carlos with her first report of today's game. Sarah?
After their very first win, the Arellano Chiefs, si Coach Jerry sinabi sa kanila that they could only take 1 day of rest before going back to their intensive training. Nung tinanong ko si Coach kung ano ang sinabi niya sa Arellano Chiefs for them to remain intense for the next game. Ang sabi niya, always respect the team you are up against. And I feel like that has a lot of meaning to it. What do you think, Coach Ren and Andre?
What do I think? Ang galing mo umilag. Muntikan ka doon.
Yan ang skills ng isang Sarah Carlos. Kayang umilag, bilis ng reflexes. Thank you, Sarah, for that report. Ingat ka next time. Steal by Levi De La Cruz. Just cannot handle the leather. The ball will stay with San Sebastian. 8 and 17 remaining in our game clock. Fresh 24 for the Stags. Tahimik pa ang crowd. Mga estudyante ng Arellano University dahil wala pa nga silang puntos sa scoreboard. Here's Gayosa against Salado. Gayosa umatake. Blanca ni Flores.
Yan naman ang maaasahan mo si Flores sa mga block shots at rebounding.
And look at Calisaan go. The offensive board. The putback is good for Mike Calisaan.
Makita Calisaan is a veteran. Oops. May nangyari sa ilalim. Si Gayosa at saka si Salado. Too much body contact daw, sabi ng referee. Kaya tinawagan niya ng personal foul to si Gayosa. At merong bigay na nangyayari. Hindi nakikita ng mga referee. Ayan.
And napansin mo rin. Alam mo dahil ikaw din dati nabibigyan ka.
Ayun natawagan ng offensive foul.
Offensive foul now will be called. The officials are controlling this game, seeing na medyo pisikala na kagad. Panimula pa lamang ng ating laro.
Medyo magigil itong mga taga-Arellano University. Oops! Siniko sa ulo.
Let's see. Alfred Kent Salado is complaining to the referees. Ito sa pagitan ni Alfred Gayosa and ni Kent Salado. Yun yung tinawag na offensive foul kay Kent Salado.
Nagkakasimplihang bigay. Matagal pa ang Christmas.
Now here's Enzo Navarro using that screen set by Calisaan mula sa labas. Gayosa trying to go for the offensive board. Could not get to the ball. Bola ay babalik sa Arellano University. Gayosa and Salado just having a few words for each other.
Yeah, kasi itong si Ken Salado is a marked man. He scored 24 points in the first game. So talagang gagawin nilang lahat para ma-stop siya. So this one tactic na siguro ang gagawin nila is to play against his mind. I mean, mind games na to. Wow,
what a pass.
Yeah.
Ken Salado to Allen Enriquez. Ilista mo na ang unang 2 puntos ng Arellano U, courtesy of that man, Allen Enriquez.
Yun ang maganda kay Ken Salado. He can create for himself and for his teammates. That time, he was so unselfish. Nakita niya yung teammate niya underneath for that easy basket.
Navarro off the curl. Ooh, nice move behind the back pass to Calma. What a play! Orchestrated by Enzo Navarro.
Sabi ko nga kanina, ang bilis nung change of pace and change of direction na itong si Enzo Navarro.
Tama yung ginamit ng word deceiving.
Yes, he's so deceiving. He looks stocky, mukha siya mabagal, pero he's fast in his feet.
Look at Salado. Quick first step na iwan si Gayosa wanting to drop it off to Enriquez. Now here's Navarro. Over to Bulanadi. Nice extra pass to Calisaan. And San Sebastian on a roll. 8 points. Now, as compared to only 2 by Arellano, kaya nga tahimik na tahimik ang mga estudyante ng Arellano U inside their own gym.
Yeah, wala pang ginagawang mali itong mga taga San Sebastian. They're making those extra passes and making those stops and taking advantage of that.
Navarro now calling the play. Calma giving the pick. Navarro the spin over to Calma. Calma in the middle, in and out. Calisaan, look at him doing the dirty work underneath, and Mike Calisaan gives San Sebastian an 8-point lead, which forces Coach Jerry Codinera to call the first timeout with 6:08 remaining in the first quarter. San Sebastian's two established stars, Mike Calisan and RK Ilagan, had a relatively quiet season debut nung Sabado. So take a look, 13 para kay Mike, 10 naman para kay RK. Pero Mike Calisan now, today, has 6 points already.
Although they scored 13 points, I mean, ito si Michael Calisan, but yung field goals niya medyo masama. Only 4 out of 12 from the field. Itong si Michael Calisan, but now, ganda lang nilalaro niya.
Babalik ang bola sa San Sebastian. They have the numbers. Nice drop pass again by Bulanadi. Bagsak. Si Gayosa, an offensive foul itatawag sa San Sebastian.
Sometimes hindi masama ang maging selfish sa basketball. That time, kailangan dapat diniretso na niya yung tira. Hindi niya na dinrap pass. He was so wide open. Nakita mo yung move na yun. Fake pass. Tapos behind the back. Mahihiya ako pag hindi mo na-shoot yun.
Naipasok naman.
Oo. 10-2. San Sebastian. Medyo gigil ang mga taga-Arellano dito. Nape-pressure ata na home court nila.
Ryle Meca will check in the next dead ball situation. Alvin Capobres nasa loob na para sa San Sebastian. The baseline drive, the kick out to De La Cruz. Oh, this game is just really getting physical.
Yes.
The officials controlling this one, making sure na hindi magkagulo in our first NCAA on tour game.
Yes. We don't want that here. We play basketball. Walang ibang sport dito, hindi basketball lang.
Ito kitang-kita with our magnified look. Thank you. Props again to our director, Abit Ramos.
Nice shot.
RK Ilagan now in the game. Pinasok na ni Coach Egay Macaraya with 5:13. Nalalabi sa ating unang yugto.
Hindi pwedeng pabayaan yan. Pag nag-umpisa yan.
Pang shotgun to si RK. Oh, a lot of offensive fouls being called as early as now. Tinawag naman to kay Kalma. Coach Egay Macaraya having some few words. This young forward there is Kalma.
Medyo gumalaw siya. Kasi if you're setting the speed, you should be like a wall. Hindi mo dapat gagalaw. Yun, offensive foul na naman.
Nakakailang offensive foul na tayo dito.
Nakakadalawa-tatlo na ata tayo. Pero na isa si Ken Salado yan. Yan, sinundan naman itong ni Viloria.
Tawagin kay Craniel Viloria. Unang personal foul ni Craniel. Third team foul. Both teams actually have 3 team fouls. Sobrang physikalan talaga ang tema ng ating lalaro.
Oo, kasi physical talaga ang mga taga San Sebastian. Siyempre, hindi naman na-atras itong mga taga Arellano. Home court pa naman nila.
Mismo. San Sebastian naman ang host school this year. Look at the double on RK Ilagan. They know he can shoot from the outside. How about Calisan? Off the mark. Salado tried to save it. He does to make a balik kay Kent Salado. Salado trying to shake off Capobres. Salado dumrive, umatake, ginamitan ng banda, and Kent Salado scores his first basket through the light of the Arellano U students.
He's so quick and shifty itong si Kent Salado, and really he can finish around that basket.
Gandang matchup to, but it's Ryle Meca who has the task of guarding RK Ilagan. Bulanadi, was Viloria. Down low to Mike Calisan. The reverse, what a move by Michael Calisan. 8 puntos na kinakamada ng tubo ng Pampanga.
Nagsimula yun sa magandang pick na binigay ni Calisan. That's why he got that basketball. Na-recognize niya, mas mabilis siya kay Flores. That's why he attacked him right away. Oops.
Foul down low. Looks like it will be on RK Ilagan. Take a look. Ito yung sabi mong shifty.
Oo.
Hop step. And then inatake, 3 defenders. Kinamitan ng banda. Sa kabilang panig naman, Michael Calisan.
Ganda lang move na yun. Go right away if you're quicker than your opponent. Yun ang ginawa kagad ni Calisan. Pagkatanggap niya ng bola, diretso kagad siya sa basket.
He had a fairly disappointing season 92, nakakaang taon. Dahil kinailangan niya mag-recover because of that motorcycle accident that he sustained during the off-season. But Mike Calisan this year feels Talagang kondisyon siya.
Oo.
This is his year. Kumpiyansa siya sa kanyang koponan. As we take a look at the Phil Canadian gunslinger. Hindi pa na ipapasok. There is Mike Calisan. He feels San Sebastian can get to the Final Four in season 93.
Why not?
Capobres.
Medyo malalim sila ngayon.
Oh, here's RK Ilagan. RK missing his first attempt from downtown. Ball will go back to Arellano U.
Coming in for second comment.
Babalasan na ng tao, nilabasan muna ni Coach Egay Macaraya si Calma at pinasok niya si Alvin Baitong.
Nagpapalitan si Capobres at si Gayosa pagbantay dito kay Kent Salado.
Oo. In the meantime, Memphis doon, si Viloria, another foul. Offensive foul na naman. Offensive rebound. Si Mike Cañete.
Yeah.
Now in. And Mike Cañete, second personal foul on Mike Cañete.
That's his second personal foul.
Isang foul na lang nasa penalty ng Arellano. Samantala, ang Stags nasa penalty na.
Kailangan palitan ni Coach Jerry Codinera si Mike Cañete at pinasok niya. Zachary Nichols, Jason David din ay pinasok na rin sa San Sebastian ni Coach Egay. Back to the red shirts we go. Bulanadi. Smart move. A veteran move there by Bulanadi.
It's always a bad foul if you're fouling a jump shooter. Kasi you're gonna give him two shots in the line. Pwede pa siyang magkaroon ng 3-point play doon. All 12 points of San Sebastian are in the paint.
Talagang inaatake nila yung loob, yung depensa ng mga big men ng Arellano U.
Siguro nakita nila Flores in trouble, medyo mahihirapan ng Arellano to win this ball game, lalo na pag foul trouble siya. Ang nangyari kay Costello, kanina nakausap natin si Navarro, na-injured daw yung right thumb niya, I think. Yun yung sinesenya niya sa akin ni Navarro kanina when I asked him.
Okay, wala si Ryan Costello in this game. He will sit it out because of an injured hand. Have more updates as the game progresses here. Salado barely beating the half-court clock. Agawan ng bola, babalik sa San Sebastian. Bulanadi secures the leather off to RK Ilagan. Waits for some friends.
Grabe. Pag dumadrive tong si Salado, 5 Stags ang makikita niya sa harapan niya.
And look at RK showing some dribbling moves. Jason David, yes! Baka sa tres!
Yun naman ang maganda kay Ilagan. Very unselfish also. Looking to pass to his wide open teammate. Pasok on 3 points.
Ito na pinakamalaking kalamangan, Coach Ren ng San Sebastian. Nasa 11 na. 17 sa 6 ang ating talaan. Salado nag-isip. 6 na segundo nalalabis sa shot clock.
Natapik ata yun.
Pero ang hinihingi ng San Sebastian coaching staff, last touchdown ng Arellano. Coach Egay, tatawag ng timeout. Lamang ng 11 ang San Sebastian kontra sa home team na Arellano University Chiefs. Kami po yung magbabalik dito lamang sa SNA. At yan po mga estudyante na banggit natin kanina, ang Arellano University is enrolling 4,000 students ang nag-aaral dito. More or less 4 to 8. Okay, 8,000 pala. Tama yung bilang ni...
Mali yung bilang ko kanina, sorry
Okay lang. Kain dalawa nagbilang. Pero ito, nangyayari simultaneously habang nagaganap po ang laro sa loob ng Arellano Gym. Ay sa labas naman po ang katuwan at kasiyahan. Of course, we have some mga kapamilya natin, kapamilya stars, performing as well. Ating kasamahan dati sa panel na si Buma Labrusca, si Papeng, isa sa mga hosts ng festivities outside. Hindi lang, kung gusto mo na ng laro, dito tayo sa loob ng Arellano Gym. Gusto naman ng music and fun sa labas. In the meantime, akawan buko ng laro dito and are all 3 officials in yellow shirts. Talagang making sure this game doesn't get out of hand.
Kanina pa nila they're doing a good job controlling this basketball game. Kasi alam natin, mainit na labanan to. Very physical. Ang daming nangyayari. So they're on top of everything.
Now at the line, gonna foul sa Arellano University. Valdez is now at the line. Si Padilla, tinawagan ng foul. Second personal foul on Padilla.
Papapasok pa lang na ito ni Valdez. Kaya medyo malamig pa siya.
Ten fouls already given up combined by both teams. 2 minutes and 26 pa tayo nalalabid dito sa first quarter. A lot of fouls being given.
Okay, first quarter pa lang tayo. Mga nakalimang bagsak na tayo mga players dito.
Here's Enriquez. Nagawan ni Baitong. Now over to RK Ilagan. Over to Capobres. Tumikada. Mababalik kay Capobres. Umatake. Wala pa rin para sa San Sebastian. Capobres not giving up. At tutungo sa linya for 2 si Alvin Capobres.
Resiliency by Capobres. Missing 1, missing 2. Hindi pa rin siya bumibigay. Andun pa rin siya to put that ball in on that basket. Kaya natawagan siya ng nakakuha pala siya ng foul. Now he's in the line shooting 2.
Jerry Codeniera talking to Ral Meca. Also to Marwin Taiwan. Taiwan who didn't play in the first game Sabado. Now at the line is Alvin Capobres and there is the Lady Beast. Of course, graduating na sa San Sebastian, but the volleyball star Ms. Gretzel Soltones on her screens. Very close friend of Alfred Cayosa, according to our floor director and insider Larry Diang. In the meantime, Alvin Capobres from Lucban, Quezon. Binabati natin kanyang mga magulang, si Ginoong Danilo.
Teammate
si
yun.
Mrs. Maylene.
Si Danny Capobres. Yes.
Teammate mo pa yun?
Yes, he's in the States right now.
That's right. Taiwan. Tapos doon si pumunta kay Meca. Spin by Enriquez. Back to Braille Meca. 8 to shoot. Ano malakas si... bailout foul. Braille Meca ay tutungo sa linya.
May halong gigil. Itong Arellano Chiefs.
Naghahanap kung kanino makakuha ng punto si Coach Jerry Codeniera ng kanyang second and third units.
Lalo na kasi pag naupo si Salado, hindi mo alam kung sinong i-score para sa Arellano Chiefs. Sometimes it works for you, pero most of the time mahihirapan ka talaga kung sino talagang hahanapan mo ng puntos.
And of course, Mr. Dino Laurena, head of ABS-CBN Integrated Sports.
Nasa zone press, yun ang gamitan ni Coach Jerry Codeniera. Itong
nagpalit ng depensa.
Oo, Stags. Hindi kasi nag-work kanina yung depensa nila. So ngayon, binabago niya. Ngayon, he's playing zone.
Valdez being hounded by Taiwaners.
It's not
David.
zone, it's man zone.
Baitong, 5 on the shot clock. Umatake si Baitong, nakuha ni Braille Meca ang bola. Arellano wants to speed things up. Sabi ni Marwin, teka lang, may oras pa tayo para maka-execute ng magandang play. 14 to go in their shot clock. Enriquez, the swing to Zach Nichols. Estudyante dito excited dahil yun ang ginagawa ni Zach Nichols on their home floor, but that time he missed. But how about RK Ilagan? Tipsy do!
Siniksik talaga niya yung katawan niya against 3 Arellano Chiefs.
"35 seconds to go. Enriquez. Archie Concepcion. Blanca ni Jason David.
Ganda ng team defense ng Stags. Everybody's helping each other. Pag may na-beat na isa, someone's there to look after him.
Helper ang nangyayari.
Yes,
hindi lang sa opensa, kundi pati sa depensa. Aggressive ang San Sebastian.
Yes. Gutom na gutom natalo ng first game. So gusto nilang bumawi kaagad dito.
Richard Abanes. Binunot na ni Coach Jerry Codeniera.
Medyo malalim na yung pagkabunot na yan. Walang makuha si Coach Jericho Diniera sa starters niya, kaya bumubunod na sa second and third group niya.
13 players na ginamit ni Coach Jericho
Yes.
Diniera dito pa lamang sa first quarter. Zach Nichols still could not find a stroke from beyond the arc.
Last shot time for the Stags. May chance silang madagdagan tong kalamangan nila. 22-8 Stags.
Pinakamalaking kalamangan was 14 points. Ito yun. San Sebastian will go for the last shot.
Pick and roll play ito.
Valdez.
Oh, hindi.
At the movement, David against Nichols.
Good job.
Atake ni Jason David. Mintis nga lang, 4 segundo pang nalalabi.
May oras pa yan. Traveling. 0.2 seconds. Pwede mo ba itira yan? Parang hindi na. Alam ko.
Kung Ren-Ren-Recualo ka, baka pwede pa.
Alam ko 0.3 ang pwede.
Tinawagan si Richard Abanes ng traveling violation doon. Valdez calling the play with 0.2 of a second remaining. Valdez,
Yun, ang
nice
ganda ng
look to
play.
David. Well executed play with 0.2 of a second remaining. We will have to review it, but looks good from our angle. What a play.
Yes.
Well drawn up play. They have been executing and practicing that. That was a great play.
Kita mo naman.
Ian Valdez, the curl by Jason David.
That's a classic play. That back pick, alley-oop pass. Ang daan best ko na nakita yan. Nabiktima na ako niyan eh.
Nabiktima ka na? Nagawa mo na ba yan?
Hindi. Nabiktima na ako niyan.
Kahit passer or ano? Hindi
Oo. Hindi ako passer. Ako yung magiging shooter doon.
Oh, yun. Baka ilabas mo pa eh. At the end of the first quarter and 10 minutes of play, an exciting first quarter on our first NCAA on-tour game dito sa Arellano University. But San Sebastian has silenced this crowd inside the gym. Ganda ng ilag ni Sarah Carlos doon while doing her first report. Kent Salado and company down here in the first quarter. It has been Jason David, RK Ilagan, Mike Calisaan, and the San Sebastian Stags. Basket is good. That was the last play with 0.2 of a second remaining there. At lamang ang San Sebastian, 24-8 second quarter sa aming pagbabalik dito lamang sa NCAA on SNA.